Hello, hi, welcome back to English Gurukul. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important news today which has been published in the Times of India newspaper. Okay, and today my friend, one of the cynical, heartbreaking and terrific news has been published and already been written over here. All of you have seen that Neet physics paper leak, and it is the heading of this news. All of you have seen that, I think. Okay, Neet physics paper leak, anti-appointed expert arrested by CBI in Pune. Now the question is that why am I taking this news from the newspaper? Basically, I am not here to discuss about the pros and cons of this matter. I would like to tell you something which is very important. The students who want to accelerate up your vocabulary and want to gearing up your knowledge in the field of English language, then you go through the newspaper, and unless and until you go through the newspaper, you can't have sufficient amount of vocabulary. Are you getting my point? So in order to develop ourselves through newspaper, we can easily develop our English language. Yes or no, my friend? Yes. And also we can understand how can we express ourselves. We need to have the proper structures, vocabulary, expressions, and because of this reason I have chosen this topic today. Okay, and a lot of news already been published, but today I gonna discuss only one news. Next day I will come up with more and more news. Okay, my friend, so let's dive into this fact, what is written over there. My friend, it is written that CBI has arrested NTA appointed exam expert Monisha Sanjay Havaldar, the alleged source of the leaked Neet UG 2026 physics questions paper from physics questions from Pune, pointing to Maharashtra being the center of the leak. What does it mean? So whenever you read the newspaper, try to figure it out that how can you express this news from yourself, not by reading. You thought that what is written there, you cram something, cram some grammatical rules, cram vocabulary. No, try to express it, try to reveal it in front of the people. Whenever you get some news or anything else, you can easily express it. You know, my friend, I have taken this newspaper. I can also take other books also, but we must be updated ourselves every day. Yes or no? And because of this purpose, I have taken this the article, taken this report from the Times of India. This was my only interest, that I need to help you so that you can easily grab a great opportunity in your upcoming and forthcoming life. Now what is written there, my friend, that it is talk about that CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, they arrested one of the person who allegedly involved in paper leaking scam. Okay, and her name was Monisha Sanjay Havaldar. Okay, and this Monisha Sanjay Havaldar was appointed by NTA. NTA means what? National Testing Agency. It's a board or the organization who takes exams. Are you getting my points? Especially NEET exam. And Monish Sanjay Havaldar was appointed by NTA. And why she was appointed by NTA? Because she was an exam expert. She has sufficient knowledge. Are you getting my point? She has a great knowledge to take the exam. But unfortunately, it is happening that this person doing some crime inside the system. Are you getting it? So that's very important part. And the question paper, the physics question paper has been leaked by this person. Okay, and it is said that then this thing happened in Pune, the place where this thing has been happened. This thing has been happened in Pune, pointing to the Maharashtra being the center of the leak. It is talking about that now the Maharashtra might have been the hub of question paper leak. Okay, now it becomes the hub of question paper leak in Maharashtra. It talk about it. The newspaper talk about the Maharashtra. It become the hub of question paper leak. It has said like this. Next, it is written, earlier P.B. Kulkarni, a chemistry lecturer associated with NT as part of the panel that set the question paper for Neet UG. Okay, Monisha Mandhir, another NT exam expert, Monisha Wagner, a beauty parlor owner, and Dhananjay, who ran a consultancy firm, were arrested from Pune, among others, from different parts of the state, including Latur and Nasik and the country. It is said that before arresting Monish Sanjay Havaldar, all the culprits of this scam had been arrested earlier, and they were involved in this scam, in this case, in this illegal activity, and all they have come from very glorious background, very great background. Some of them are chemistry professor, some of them come from the physics background, some of them come from very outstanding background, very exemplary and impeccable personality they are. But unfortunately, this thing happen in our country, that all the educated, composed and unflappable people, they have done these several mistakes, several scams, several things in our country. Yes or no? And it is written properly that all they are the expert. Some of them are the chemistry expert, some of them are the physics expert, some of them have some consultancy business. If any student want to grab the opportunity for the higher education, they take consultancy from that guy, from that expert, and all those experts, they all together involved in this scam. Are you getting my point? That would be very important thing to understand about it. If this thing happens every day in our country, then what will happen? Next thing, it is written, Havaldar, an NT appointed exam expert, had direct involvement in the examination process and complete access to question papers. The agency claimed, agency means here the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, when they investigate this matter, they found that Monish Sanjay Havaldar was directly involved in this matter. How CBI understood this matter? So let's go to the next part. Next one is written, Havaldar illicitly shared multiple physics questions with co-accused Mandher during April this year, said CBI officials. It means she allegedly involved in this case. It means that my friend, she shared all the physics questions paper with another accused person whose name was Mandhir. He was also involved in this case. He was co-accused. He was also associated with that scam. And all the physics question paper which was made for the Neet UG 2026, it was completely shared across the nation. And the CBI officials during April means just before the examination, already the physics question paper already been shared by them, by all the culprit, by all the criminals. All the physics paper has been leaked everywhere before the examination. The CBI officials said like this, the Central Bureau of Investigation. Are you getting my point? So this was the news today, and a lot of news are there, but my friends, today because of shortage of time, I don't discuss the other news, but next day, it means that tomorrow, I will come up with more and more news, try to speak more than 10 news with short period of time. Okay, and you feel good for yourself, and if you want to grab a great opportunity, if you want to become assertive, outspoken, and if you want to make your life very charismatic, so you need to go through everyday newspaper. Whenever you read the newspaper, you might have a lot of articles, a lot of reports, and whenever you go through this newspaper and try to explain it from yourself, explanation should be coming out from yourself, and because of that reason you need to understand all the grammatical aspects. Are you getting my point? And unless you have any idea about the grammar, so you can make a lot of mistakes. So understanding the basic and fundamental grammatical parts also important. And if you want to learn grammar, so you can join my community in my class, which is held every day. And my friend, grammar is important, another one is vocabulary. So you can have a lot of vocabulary after reading this newspaper, and the explanation should be coming out from yourself, not by watching somewhere. If you watch it from somewhere, you can't explain it from yourself. Always you feel stuck, deteriorated and dilapidated, and I want you to speak fluently and frequently. That's my mission. That is the reason I have chosen this topic today. Next day I will come up with more and more topics so that you can speak English fluently and confidently. That is my agenda, that is my only purpose. I hope that all of you understood what the news was about. I think all of you grabbed this point. So for today, thank you, have a good day, wish you all the best, bye bye, tata. And my friend, before conclusion, before my conclusion, I want to tell you that there are a lot of news, yes, on every day published. Try to take one newspaper and try to explain it after understanding, because all of the students, those who have been studying class 9 to 12, when they go through the comprehension, yes or no, a lot of comprehension comes nowadays in the examination, and those who have been preparing for the competitive examination, for all of you, reading is very important part. And how can you develop your reading, how can you go beyond your limitation in reading? Through newspaper or any books, what you like, you can go through, but at least you read. Whenever you read, then you will have a lot of vocabulary, lot of expression, a lot of ideas, okay, so that you can easily go on proper direction. Otherwise you can derail your track. So I wish that all of you must go one proper direction so that you can achieve your goal. Thank you for today. Bye bye.